We're going to explain how to run CMD, command prompt, from within PowerShell. There are several ways to achieve this, and we'll cover the most common and straightforward methods. 1. Using the cmdexes command. The simplest method is to directly type cmdxe into your PowerShell window and press enter. This will launch a new CMD window. This is a quick and efficient way to switch between the two environments. You'll notice that you're now in a separate CMD window. Any commands you execute here won't affect your PowerShell session, and vice versa. To return to PowerShell, simply close the CMD window. 2. Using Start CMD@X. Similar to the first method, but this command opens a new CMD window in a separate process. This means the CMD window will run independently, even if you close your PowerShell window. This is useful if you want a CMD window to remain open and running in the background while you continue working in PowerShell. Running a CMD command within PowerShell, using the cmd command. This approach allows you to execute a single CMD command directly from within your PowerShell session without opening a separate CMD window. For example, cmdec-dir will list the directory contents, just like the dir command would in CMD. switch tells CMD to execute the command and then close. If you want to run multiple CMD commands, you can separate them with nn, for example, cmd, c-dir, and ipconfig. This will execute both the dir and ipconfig commands sequentially within CMD, then close it. This method is very useful for quick tasks within CMD without opening a new CMD window. Or using the ncmd or sal command. This approach offers a slightly more concise version of the previous method. We'll achieve the same result as cmdec-dir. The ampersand, n, acts as a call operator, executing the subsequent command. Opening CMD as administrator from PowerShell. Sometimes you might need to run CMD with administrator privileges. In PowerShell, you can accomplish this using Start Process CMD verb run as. This will prompt you for administrator credentials before launching a new CMD window with elevated privileges. Remember that you'll need appropriate permissions to do this. These are the most common and effective ways to run CMD from PowerShell. Choose the method that best suits your needs, whether it's switching between environments entirely or embedding CMD commands directly into your PowerShell sessions. Remember to always be aware of the context and privileges when executing commands.